Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. As I have promised, I am back with the working model of science projects. This is a line follower robot. It is a self-operating robot that detects and follows a line that is drawn. The path consists of a black line that is drawn on a white or a off-white surface. Sensors that can be used are LED along with LDR, LED along with photodiode or LED phototransistor pair. It works by illuminating a surface with infrared light. The sensor that picks up the reflected infrared radiation and based on its intensity determines the reflectivity of the surface in question. When IR falls on white surface, it is reflected toward IR receiver generating some voltage change. And when IR falls on black surface, it is absorbed by black surface and no rays reflected. Thus the IR receiver does not receive any rays. As you can see, the white surface is present, so no circuit is functioning now. But as soon as I removed its white surface and it touches the black surface or detect the black surface, you can say it start operating. When I complete the circuit by placing the battery in the circuit, it start moving. Now you can see it is smoothly running on black surface. As soon as it touches the white surface, it automatically stops. See it once again. Smoothly moving. As soon as it touches off-white or white surface, it automatically stops. This is a clap switch circuit which uses a microphone within the circuit to detect noises to turn the LED on. It means it converts sound energy into electrical energy. This circuit can be used in homes and businesses to turn on things such as lights, TV, etc. In many cases, you can snap your fingers, clap your hands, or even speak to it. Basically, it uses a relay, which is a switching device and used to switch the circuit on when required and turn off whenever required. It also uses a 555 timer IC. Now I am showing you it's working. As I complete the circuit, you can see LED is glowing, but it is dim. It means it is in the off mode. Now, when I clap, it is now on. Now, if I again clap, switch is off. In many cases, you can snap your fingers like this. It is off. If you again snap, it is on. Now, if I clap, it switches off. Again I clap, it is on. This is an electric power-free energy generator with DC motor, a fan, DC motor, a CD and plastic spoons. It is a device which is used to generate electrical energy from this mechanical energy. So it is an energy-free energy generator. You can see I am using no battery in this circuit. It relates to a power tool which needs no fuel and no electric power supply. It aims at saving the energy. As we know, energy conservation techniques are the need of this hour. Now I am showing you it's working. Here, two capacitors, one mechanical energy generator. If I rotate this, then this mechanical energy is going to convert here electrical energy and this fan will automatically rotate. It means mechanical energy is going to convert into electrical energy here, free of cost. With the help of air blower, we are rotating this disc. Mechanical energy is producing here and it is going to convert into electrical energy in the fan. Even if I obstruct the path of air, the fan does not stop rotating. It means it is not the direct conversion, it is the conversion from mechanical energy to electrical energy. If we want, we can use a bulb also here, then electrical energy can be shown by the lighting of bulb. If I stop mechanical energy, then electrical energy automatically stop because it is due to the mechanical energy. This is the model of a road made from waste plastic Its main purpose was to find a reuse for plastic waste. Traditionally, bitumen is used for road surfacing and coating. Plastic waste disposal is a serious and growing challenge to all major metropolitan areas around the world. If not disposed of properly, plastic waste can degrade in the environment for several years. This project shows us usage of recycled plastic bags in road construction. Here you can see shredded plastic bags were mixed with bitumen to provide strength and durability. Radha Gopalan Vasudevan developed this innovative method of construction of roads. Steps involved are collecting waste plastic bags, cups, foam, etc. This is our first step. Second is cleaning and washing, and then shredding is to uniform size. Then melting the waste plastic at 165 degrees Celsius by combustion. We can also use pyrolysis, which is the heating of an organic material in absence of oxygen. Then blending it with hot aggregates and bitumen using this mixture to lay the road. This is also a cost-effective method. Every industrial plant has a disadvantage of noise pollution, but here we are taking advantage of this thing also, because we are converting this noise or sound pollution into a viable source of electric power by using a suitable transducer, which converts vibrations caused by noise into electrical energy. Microphones are a type of transducer, which is a device which converts energy from one form to another. Here you can see when I vibrate the membrane, because you know sound can be produced by vibrations only. When I vibrate the membrane, you can see the electrical energy produced in this LED. This is a bubble making machine. For making this solution, I have used 150 milliliter of water, 50 milliliter of liquid dishwash, and then 25 milliliter of glycerin. Now, bubble blower is a children's handheld toy for making bubbles by blowing on a membrane of soap water stuck to a hoop. You can see hoops are there. One motor is used to rotate these hoops, and one fan is rotating so that you can see bubbles clearly. This is the model of a drone. Drones uses their rotors, which consist of a propeller attached to a motor to hover, meaning the downward thrust of the drone is equal to the gravitational pull working against it. It climbs when the speed is more, and rotors produce an upward force greater than gravity. There are many types of complex drones using two or more rotors, but this is the simplest one with one rotor only. Now I am going to show its working. As soon as I switch on it, you can see the rotor starts moving. I know about your excitement, so once again I am going to show it's working. According to law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form of energy to another. I have given my energy to you. Now you will give back your energy to me by subscribing to my channel, sharing with your friends, and watching it. Thank you.